Welcome back to my channel's love. Today you're going to be watching me slay this full lace wig. That's right, I said it, you guys. Full lace wig. And this here is from Afsisterwig. I'm going to have everything about them down below. So this is what the hair is going to look like when you first receive it. It is so pretty. Look at that bow. The bow is just so perfectly done. That's the back of the box. And now we're going to go ahead and open it. As much as I don't want to, it looks so cute. But we're going to open it and time to show you guys this wig. So now I'm going to show you guys how the wig looks like inside out. And as you guys can see, there are 4 combs all around the head. And you can also see that full lace going on over there, all that full lace action. I'm really loving it. Full lace in the front, full lace in the back, all around. It also comes with an adjustable strap, some extra comb, and 2 wig caps. So this is what the wig looks like in its natural state, and it's already being slayed, and I haven't even touched it yet. But let's get into styling this hair. First, I'm putting some leave-in conditioner all over the hair. So now I'm just taking a comb. I'm going to comb through the hair because I'm about to start flat ironing the hair, and you want to make sure that your hair is all combed out before you apply any hot product to the hair. Taking my flat iron, I'm going to put it up to 400, which I know you guys probably think I'm crazy, but I like my hair to be super silky straight, and 400 just works. But make sure that, your hair can actually take that amount of heat. So don't be putting it to 400 if it doesn't need to go there. But as you guys can see, this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just flat ironing big sections of the hair, and yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but I usually don't wear straight hair a lot because I feel like it gets boring. But when I do wear straight hair, I like it to look like how this hair is looking right now. I like it to look super straight and be super flowy and look soft and feel soft. So this was the perfect transition to straight hair because I don't always wear straight hair. Doesn't that just look amazing, you guys? That looks so silky and so flowy. I'm super in love with this wig. So this is how this hair looks when I straighten both sides. I'm just going to try to get this part as flat as possible so that it can match with the rest. Because you can see this is super straight, you guys. And I love this hair. But we're going to talk about the hair in just a second. Let me just finish the top of my head. And we're going to get back to that. So this step is optional because the hair does look perfectly fine when you just flat iron the bottoms of both sides. But I'm a little extra, so I want to make sure that the top is as laid as possible. But this step is super optional. You guys do not have to do this if you don't want to. So guys, this hair is from Afsisterwig. They reached out to me and they sent me this full lace straight wig, and yes, I said it guys, full lace. The whole thing is lace. I'm totally in love with this hair, like completely obsessed, y'all. It's full lace, meaning I can part it wherever I want, do whatever style I want to do, put it up, put it down, put it side, whatever I want to do to the hair I can do because it is full lace, hunty, okay? It is full lace and I literally love it, you guys. So I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about this hair. The packaging was absolutely gorgeous. Like, out of all the hair I received, that is the most prettiest. Oh my god, the packaging was gorgeous, you guys. It came with a little bow and it was so pretty. And then as soon as I took the hair out, it felt so soft, like super soft. I did not wash it and I did not bleach the knots. I didn't bleach the knots because I was just in such a rush to put it on. But honestly, it looks pretty good. Like, you actually don't need to bleach your knots. I usually hate the way knots look on a wig, but let me tell you, like, it literally, you can't even tell. It looks really good. So here's the specs on this hair, you guys. It's 180 density, and you could tell because I tried to put it in a ponytail when I first put on the wig, and sis, it was so thick. Like, I can do it, but it's just so thick, and I like it. Honestly, makes it feel full, and it does give you a full look. This hair is literally light as a feather, you guys. Like, I can't stop playing with the hair. So the cap came in a medium size. You can choose whatever size you want. Medium was too big for my head, and I have a really weird head. You guys hear me say this all the time. It was too big for my head, and I had to adjust the straps because they do have adjustable straps at the end of the cap. And that's actually really good because if you're not sure what size you are, at least you can adjust it, right? And it fits pretty well, so I'm pretty tight if you ask me. As you guys can see, I did not have to do much to this hair. I literally just straightened it just because I kind of slept in it, and you know, it got a little frizzy, but I just took care of that and it was easy. Just ran the flat iron across the hair a couple of times, and then I took the hot comb just to make sure the front is as flat as possible, and that was it. Like, I'm good to go. Like, you don't even have to put too much product in this. And guys, I can't get over how soft it is. Like, no matter how many products you put in it, it's still super soft. It came out the box super soft and shiny. But this hair is actually very low maintenance, guys, for real, for real. Super simple. So it is a glueless wig, so you can wear this hair without glue. I like to be extra secure, so I did use Got2b glue on this, and it is glue down, but you guys don't actually have to do that, which is awesome. It's a glueless wig. It's full lace. It's just awesome. And did I mention it is super affordable, you guys? Under $100. So it's a super affordable full lace wig. You can't find that anywhere else, honestly. Like, full lace wig that is super affordable. This is hard to get, you guys. So you guys definitely need to check out AF Sisters Wig. They will hook you up.